What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to install our baffled oil catch can kit for the Ram RHO. So let's get right into it. For the first step, use a 22mm wrench to install the two supplied straight fittings into the catch can lid. Using a 2.5mm Allen key, attach the catch can bracket to the catch can lid as shown, using the supplied 3 M4 bolts. Make sure to align the flat portion on the lid with the flat portion on the bracket. After that, attach both the short and long hoses to the catch can lid utilizing the two worm gear clamps. The longer hose should be attached to the port labeled out. Do not fully tighten the worm gear clamps yet, as you may need to rotate the hoses during installation. A small amount of silicone grease can make hose installations a lot easier. This next step is optional and is not necessary, but the radiator trim panel can be removed for additional working space by unclipping the 12 indicated pop clips. Next, using a 13mm socket, remove the nut holding the engine cover in place. Once the nut is removed, the engine cover can be lifted off. Remove the stock PVC tube. To remove the connectors, depress both sides of the locking feature and pull on the fitting. Next, remove the bolt that passes through the front frame and radiator support beam using a 13mm socket. Remove the catch can from the lid. After that, pass the bolt through the bolt on the catch can bracket and reinstall the bolt along with the catch can. Then route the hoses as shown, with the longer out hose going to the intake and the shorter in hose going to the PCV. Be sure to route the hoses under the intake and other hoses where possible. Then tighten down the two worm gear clamps. After that, the provided zip ties can be installed where desired to keep the hoses together. Finally, re-touch the engine cover and radiator trim panel if removed. Alright guys, that concludes our video for today, but if you want to purchase this kit for yourself, you can always hit the first link down below in the description. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you all on the next one.